Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is your brother Mustafiz and my 2 years daughter Rumaisa with me as my assistant. So basically, I updated the plugin this Ramadan to help some brothers and sisters who are struggling to play with the start time or inputting the start time manually. I have been in contact with so many other brothers with that request, but intentionally I try to avoid it because I know so many masjid they follow their own start time and not those default ones. But now I think it's the time, and also wanted to earn some hasanat in this Ramadan. It's almost finished, another 7 days left, and I ask everyone to make dua for me and my family. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make my two children Hafidh al-Quran, Alimuddin, inshallah. So let's activate the plugin. Yes, and now once you activate the plugin, now you will see there is a thing called set prayer times automatically. What it does, there are about 15,000 cities here. You can, if your city is not in here, you can check the nearest city. So I live in Luton. Let's see if Luton is here. So yeah, Luton is here. So you select your city, and whatever the calculation method you want to follow, you can select in here. I try to follow ISNA and standard, and I think most of them are actually angle based. So angle based is default by selected by default. And even after the start time, what I added is you can set a Jamaat time, a Iqama time after the start time. So you can say your Fajr Iqama start 60 minutes after the start time. Same for Dhuhr Asr. You can say your Maghrib after 2-3 minutes. Some people follow it exactly on the time of the Adhan, which is realistically not possible because it takes about 2-3 minutes for the Adhan and Iqama anyways. And if you want to say your Isha Iqama starts 10 minutes after the start time, we can set all these things. So let's try. So if I set prayer time now, and yeah, it's loading, and then you can go to quick update and you can see your prayer start time for May is this, and then you can update your Jamaat time in here as well, as you can see. So let's see if it is working. So I can see our today Fajr was 2 past 4 according to this ISNA. Well, let's, if we want to follow Muslim World League, set prayer time, and quick prayer. Yeah, as you can see, it's got updated. Even though it is Jamaat time, but I can test because I'm saying my prayer Fajr Iqama will start 60 minutes after the start time. We can also test in the database. So this is May. So if we go to May, so yeah, these are the start time for May, as you can see. If we change it to, for example, Al Qura, and try, so with the Muslim World League it was Fajr start 2:59, it's 2:53. Yeah, so it's changing. So this is how you can set your prayer time automatically, and that also enables you to download the current timetable however you set it in here. So if you download it here, so if I download it here, it's going to be whatever the time we just created through the automatic settings, and it makes life even easier. So if you're not happy, or if you want to change something, you can just change in here, and you change it here and save it. In terms of saving, I have so many issues. People are using Excel, and their Excel has some pre-formatted or pre-calculated date thing. I don't know, it mess up the date. So I suggest you to use LibreOffice or OpenOffice. I've been telling it on all the other videos as well. So once you have that, you can. So now we got the CSV that we created from this space, and you upload your timetable. 0 rows affected because nothing is changed, as you know. So yeah, so this is the new thing I added. I had also another request. Some masjid, they have permanent timetable that never changes, and they don't want to upload every year. So now this plugin, what it has, if you have, for example, if you upload the timetable for 2020 and you never upload the timetable of 21, 22, 23, any other years, it is still gonna work based on your that yearly calendar. No problem, it's gonna work. So yeah, and quick update. Monitor mobile setup, as you know, if you want to hook this up with a monitor on your TV, on your masjid, or if you want to create a mobile link, that's gonna work as well. So one of the example, if I wanted to show you on that, so this is the monitor, as you can see. As you all know, you can have it on your big TV screen, or you can actually create a mobile, which looks really odd in monitor shape. But if you actually, sorry, if you go to if you want to make it, if you want to see it in a mobile, then it based on your mobile settings. So let's say if it is an iPhone Pixel 2 XL, or if it is an iPhone, or if it is anything Galaxy. So people will be seeing this on their mobile, as long as they have internet. So this is what is the monitor mobile setup. Hijri settings, you all know. Display Hijri date, you can adjust the day minus or plus. Theme settings, very obvious. You change the look and feel of it. Language settings, you all know. You can change the whole plugin into the language you are in, and misc all the other miscellaneous thing in here. And the new one is the API doc. So now every masjid will have the endpoint. So if you have a mobile developer, or if you want to give it to some mobile developer to develop, to pull the data from the website to your mobile app, that should just work. So yeah, filter equal to 2 day prayer time, and let's say filter equal to 2 day today. So yeah, you can see this data, and your mobile app can pull this data, and using the plugin, you can have a mobile app. I think that's all. The other videos that I have might have some extra that I'm missing here today, but if you have any specific issues, please let me know. I will try my best to support your masjid, inshallah. And in return, please pray for everyone, pray for the whole ummah. We're in a dire situation, never seen before, since the starting of this deen. So please do not forget to make dua in your salah at least once a day for everyone, inshallah. That's all. Assalamu alaikum.